Have you ever dreamed of owning an online business or selling one for a profit? The digital economy is booming, and platforms like Flippa are making it easier than ever. Flippa is revolutionizing the way online entrepreneurs buy and sell businesses, offering a marketplace that caters to all levels of experience. Imagine having access to thousands of online businesses, from e-commerce stores to SaaS platforms, all in one place. Flippa simplifies this process. Transparency is key on Flippa. Detailed analytics, verified listings, and a community of experts guide you every step of the way. Creating an account on Flippa is free and quick. List your business with detailed information or browse through thousands of listings. Flippa operates on a bidding system, but you can also negotiate directly with sellers. Secure transactions are ensured through Escrow services. From e-commerce stores to SaaS businesses, content websites, and mobile apps, Flippa's marketplace is incredibly diverse. Flippa stands out with verified listings, marketplace analytics, valuation tools, and community support, making it a comprehensive platform for success. While Flippa has its pros and cons, the wide variety of listings and secure transactions make it a top choice for online entrepreneurs. Flippa is more than just a marketplace, it's a gateway to online entrepreneurship. Explore the endless opportunities waiting for you on Flippa today.